If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be able to wear this motherfucker no more.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kia back with another captivating visual. Today, we're going to be doing a quick little repair on my fiance's winter coat. He was going out in the morning to start the cars before we were leaving for the day, and somehow he got hooked onto the door or something outside of the door that hooked onto his coat, and it like literally ripped a hole in the back of his jacket. And he needs this jacket. This is a real nice Columbia coat, down coat. It is so nice. So I had to do something to save this jacket. So here I am just taking some little push pins and I am lining the fabric back up so it can be easier to sew, because I'm going to just sew this by hand real quick. The feathers were getting everywhere, and it was like those little soft, like real, like light and feathery feathers. So they were like getting everywhere, even as I was like trying to line the fabric back up together. It was getting everywhere. And I was like carrying it around very like softly and gently because they kept coming out, and I didn't want too many to come out, because if it did, then it just wouldn't have been right as I was trying to sew it. So I was trying to line it up with as many as push pins as I could around the perimeter. Of course, I can't have a minute alone to myself. My baby had came up to me, but y'all can't see that. We were just in the house chilling. So, of course, he's doing him. Probably got little to nothing on. So I had to block that up real quick. But yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I line this up real good before I start sewing, because once you make that first little entry hole, that first little puncture is very critical. So I'm trying to make sure that it's gonna be as smooth as possible, because I don't got too many tries with these feathers. So see, that's how I look once I land it all up. I know it ain't straight, but the fabric was kind of thin and the feathers kept coming out. So I just wanted to at least line it up and put it in place as best as I could before I start sewing. So boom, I already threaded my needle, and I'm about to make the first puncture here. See, those feathers was coming out so bad. I was trying to hurry up and start it so I could close it, so I won't lose any more feathers. But yeah, we're just gonna start off slow, and I definitely wanted these stitches to be close together as possible so the feathers won't continue to try to sneak out as he's wearing it. So we're just gonna go in slow. Gonna start off slow, creating that stitch, and as I'm going along the perimeter of the patch, I'm gonna just take the push pins out as I go further along. And please excuse my son in the background with those scissors. I had all my tools and materials out as I'm completing the job, and of course he came in. So please, I don't condone any violence. I don't let him do whatever he wants to do. He just picked them up. He wanted to keep me company as I was getting it done for Daddy. So we're just going to take our time, make sure it's clean as possible, because this is going to be on the outside of the coat. So just want to make sure that it's still going to be a clean finish, regardless of whatever the case may be. So stay tuned.
Run that back, Toretto. It's a lot on my mind, like how could you hate all the time? Amazon, I'm in my prime, I ordered the package online. Damn it, they just closed my town. I just got off the red line. I know you don't know the ground, well I just got rich off of mine. Again, I just came from behind. Nigga, I'm on the incline. I know it's blowing your mind. A lot on my mind, like how could you hate all the time? Amazon, I'm in my prime, I ordered the package online. Damn it, they just closed my town. I just got off the red line. I know you don't know the ground, well I just got rich off of mine. Again, I just came from behind. Nigga, I'm on the incline. I know it's blowing your mind. just see out the fan. I rolled the window down, they smelled the cookie like some pine. Ain't no talking out this time, but I won't get jail to get fined. Cause damn it, I'm running the sign. I won't trade my bitch, see a dime. I cut the pussy, it's a crime. I got out the jam with slime, make it look easy, he try. Come to the rack, he die. I sit the birdie, got him flying. My money multiplying now. Remember back when I was down, now I don't need one come around. Just look at my face, I'm the same nigga that I was back in the day. You was the nigga that flake, all cause a nigga getting a look cake. I smack the shit in your face, I smack the shit in your face. I'm on a red hash. It's a lot on my mind, like how could you hate all the time? Amazon, I'm in my prime, I ordered the package online. Damn it, they just closed my time. I just got off the red line. I know you don't know the grind, well I just got rich off of mine. Again, I just came from behind. Nigga, I'm on the incline. I know it's blowing your mind. A lot on my mind, like how could you hate all the time? Amazon, I'm in my prime. I ordered the package online. Damn it, they just closed my time. I just got off the red line. I know you don't know the grind, well I just got rich off of mine. Again, I just came from behind. Nigga, I'm on the incline. I know it's blowing your mind.
Okay, so right here I was starting to approach the end on my hand. My arm is like kind of blocking it. I thought I deleted this part, but it's okay. But yeah, as you see, I did the first side, and it's like a little top portion to the rest of the rip. I was just going around the length of the hole of the tear. And I'm glad I was able to like get it kind of tight, because you see those feathers, they come in all different shapes and sizes, so it would be very easy for it to come out. So yeah, make sure you leave it kind of tight. Okay, yeah. See, that's how it was coming along. It was almost closed up. I had a little bit more to go to the end, the top. But yeah, that's how it's gonna turn out. And surprisingly, that material was just like so thin. For as warm as it is, and like the inside is like very insulated. They got like the aluminum foil like thing, the look going on the inside, but it's good look. Zariah, she was just doing too much. She wasn't feeling good, so she just I guess lost her mind for a second too. So excuse her too, please. Why you just grab her like that? You so extra. But yep, just finishing that up along the side. I'm just trying to get it as tight as possible so we won't have any seepage. So yeah, y'all, that's how it go. That's how you do it like that. That's basically pretty much how it look when I get finished because I didn't realize that I didn't get a clip or I didn't take a picture or anything once I got completely done. Well, it's that little small clip at the beginning of the video. But that's how it is. That's the finished product. But as the video closes out, I'm just going to keep like sewing at that last stitch to secure it. And then I'm just going to cut it at the end. I didn't get it on the video, but that's pretty much all I did at the end. Yep. That's how I look at the end. Just cut that little thread off. And there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See ya.